We started with this unfinished wood frame that has 3 4x6 sections and a little handle on it, and we removed the 3 backings from the frame and just put those aside. We grabbed this last year at Michael's, and using some vintage duck egg from Wise Owl paint and an R16 Klingon brush, we covered the frame and handle completely. All paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And now once this was covered and dry, taking 150 grit sandpaper, I sanded the frame. Now you can distress this to your liking. And then I removed all the dust from the frame. I found these farmhouse signs from Dollar General. They were $1 each. And now this handle was keeping the middle sign from being centered, so we removed the handle and just moved it over. Then using our drill gun, we just drilled the handle back in place. We then removed the jute hanger from each sign, and using our hot glue, we attached the sign to each section. Now I picked this frame, but in the comments below, let me know your ideas for these cute dollar signs. What would you do with them? I feel like there's so many options. Once all the signs were attached, we took some leftover black and white gingham ribbon and we tied it around the handle and just made a knot. And then we cut the ends on an angle. And taking a small piece of jute, we tied a bow around the handle. And now we just have this cute farmhouse wall decor. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget you could check some of our other tutorials out over on our YouTube channel. And paint products can be found on our webpage. Have a great weekend.